Line equipment entered the summer on a strong note with an internal showcase of Bandit product with our sales professionals and staff. Consistently rising to take on new challenges, Line sets the standard for the environmental maintenance industry. There's a reason why we've remained the world's #1 Bandit dealer for the past decade. With our vast team of equipment experts, we take pride in supplying you with the tools you need to get the job done right. Because for us, compromise just won't cut it. Bandit has built a legacy of providing professionals with durable and dependable machines that last. However, it's the impact of their hand-fed chipper category that has separated them from the rest of the industry. With the mid-sized Intimidator 15XP, you can take on nearly anything you throw at it. These machines are best at dealing with thick limbs, massive brush, and the occasional whole tree. Featuring an exclusive slide box feed system developed directly by Bandit equipment experts. Pulling and compressing tree limbs as they enter the chipper, the 15XP stays in control of all materials being fed, resulting in vastly improved productivity. Take things a step further with the most popular hand-fed chipper Bandit has to offer. The Intimidator 18XP is a standout in the 18-inch category, dominating any and all materials you feed it, specially designed to handle massive tree takedowns, storm cleanup, and residential area projects, adding it to the long list of highly versatile equipment produced by Bandit. Featuring a hydraulic winch able to drag the most difficult limbs, giving operators increased speed and efficiency when taking on large jobs. When it comes to raw pulling and compressing power, the Intimidator 12XPC gets its chance to shine. Built to process anything from fibrous palm fronds, dense brush, or long limbs, this chipper has separated itself from all others in the compact class, making it the ideal option for quick and easy access. Though they're listed as compact, don't let their size fool you. These machines are powerful as ever. Bandit has more to offer tree care professionals than its industry-leading wood chipping equipment. Stay on track with the cutting-edge technology of the SG75 stump grinder, clearing away thick tree stumps with ease. Using a wireless radio remote for operations at a distance, and a rubber skirt to block any thrown materials, this grinder makes operator safety a priority, without taking away from its unmatched power. Bandit offers the SG75 in both track and rubber tire options to provide customers with applications that fit their needs. Also showcased was the Model 1425 horizontal grinder, engineered as the ideal solution for tree care contractors needing an efficient and cost-effective way to grind brush, logs, and other wood waste into a usable end product. Although it's included in the compact class, the 1425 measures at 21 feet, with a large throat opening taking in materials with its unique down-turning cutter mill, allowing gravity to assist the feed wheel roller in grinding material. This Bandit product showcase allowed for our team to gain more hands-on training and experience of what you, our customer, does on a daily basis. If you're interested in any of these pieces of equipment or any other Bandit models, give Line a call today to set up a consultation or product demo.